Mai, kia ora. My name is Ashlynn.
And more after Winton School, I'm Richard. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for our upper, the 16th of September.
Straight into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is ki,
which is te reo for full, as in kua ki tō puku. Is your tummy full?
No. Kei te hiakai ahow. I'm hungry.
SMAC news. Year 7 and 8 SMAC teams come to room 13 at lunchtime with your kai for a mock session of the competition.
And tomorrow you have a meeting in the group room with Mr. Tucker. Anō, with your kai at lunchtime. Kia ora.
Okay, most students are wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
In-house spelling bee news. Congratulations to all year 3 and 4 spellers yesterday. We have found our top 10 going through to the finals next Tuesday.
Some very good spelling and wonderful handwriting too. Ka pai Winton School, but only the top 2 from each house will go through.
Today it's year 5 and 6s. Please come to the library at 12:40 with a pencil for house glory. Yeah.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, the video that we're in right now, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Sandpit news. A reminder to keep all the toys in the sandpit. Far too many toys have been left laying around the playground.
Same goes for the sports gear, making sure all the equipment is returned to the trolleys at the end of play and lunchtimes. Thank you.
Mafty news. A reminder to have your loud shirts out and about on Friday and bring a gold coin.
Birthday news. Our big day for Dylan Dyack, who is turning 10 today.
Double digits. Happy birthday, Dylan. Have a great day.
Okay, that's all for the Winton School news. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite pōpō.
Stay clean, stay dry, and keep up the good work, Winton School.
We leave you today with some of Room 12's TV adverts for Market Day coming up next week.
Make sure you go to Subway and get something healthy, like a salad.
Let's go. Subway, eat fresh. Let's go around here. Let's go.
Hello kids, you want to buy one of my famous chili peppers? They come with the worst of times.
Oh, thank you, kind sir. I've been eating for days. Oh, it's paper.
April Fools!
Hey there, kid! Do you want to buy a slushie?
Yes, please.
We come at best of times. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
I hope you like it.
This stuff, it's amazing. It's healed me. I feel like I can fly. Watch this.
Whoa! Dull party. Right now. Should we just go? Yeah. Sleep in the corner. And save the day! Yes! Did you bring it on the song? Oh, it's beautiful! Show me! Oh my God! Yay! You saved the day! You're a hero!
Edible Play-Doh, $3.
Glow-in-the-dark stress balls, $2.
Face painting, $2.
Personalised names, $1.